You okay? I call this the super switch kick. It sounds like kind of a ridiculous name, but I have to have names so I can teach things and remember things. Saenchai uses this move a lot. He's able to switch back and forth, keeping him guessing. This isn't a move that you'd want to throw right off the bat on someone. This is a feeling out move if they're an experienced kickboxer and they know how to check your different techniques. So enough talking on it. Our switch kick from our stance is, remember the slide, just a little slide. And we can use this as a fake, but as I slide, equal weight, they're just sort of skimming. It comes back. Then, the right leg happens. So if I be here, back. We're also going to get into different switch motions to keep your opponent guessing. They already have a lot to think about now. Right? Medium, high. See? We're here. See how that comes back, Brittany? We're here. Okay. See? And then, so throw the switch off your front. That's it. Good. Now you're going to go the other way. Yeah. That's it. That's all right. It just takes the motion. You'll see Saenchai go back and forth, but really, yeah, it's just, see? And my shoulders aren't changing. So here, switch, back. So the switch kick, quick, would be here. You right?
Yeah.
We're here. Trying to go slow, this is super powerful. My hips are loaded on this. So more details. All right. So as my feet, they skim. They're not like jumping. I'm not switching my stance. My shoulders are staying in the exact same place. Generally, you throw a jab or something and throw your opponent off, but they're skimming. The weight would be here for the switch kick, but that's not happening. It comes back. Okay? And then the weight is going to be on my front for the next round kick from my rear side. So here's the thing about this. For our switch kicks, of course, this is Thai style, turning that hip over. The heel on my support leg is turned towards Brittany. So again, on this side, now, same thing, turned over. Yeah? Clearly, you don't want to just get into this move. You want to learn the round kick, the switch kick first, and the stepping kick. See that? See, notice how she just came forward? That's perfect. That just shows that I've got good, when I'm turning my hip over, I'm away from my opponent. All right, application. So, right-handed. So, all the switches, okay? And then Chris is going to start checking. Yep. Okay? So that's what starts to happen. So again, you don't just want to come off of this move right away. Okay? That's why. See? You alright? Sorry about that.
It's me in the elbow, you crazy bastard.
Sorry. So as we're here, yeah? Again, we see Saenchai throwing this a lot. Right? Right? And then we're here. That's what, again, you don't just want to pop this off. This is for an experienced opponent. This checking, exactly, good checks. You're here. Does that make sense?
Because it's great, because you see the initial motion,
Yeah.
which you react to, but by the time you started moving, he's already switched and he's hitting you with it.
Absolutely. Again, see? This is experience. If your opponent isn't good at checking, why worry about this move? See? Right?